Welcome to the JMT.
My people, we welcome una to this our news channel. Yesterday na sad reality wey happen for the entertainment industry. Everybody know this Junior Pope wey dey act Nollywood movie well. Yesterday na e kpai. Wetin unfold to this event wey make am kpai? How e take enter river, how they take rescue am? My people, I wan play una the video from the beginning. Make una watch how e take start. Make una watch this video.
That ending, and how they go, the boat, the guy who dey drive the boat where Junior Pope dey enter.
Yes.
The guy no look well. Another boat dey come. This the guy no even look. You dey get na even think say by yourself when they even say another boat. Before the guy go open eye, the two boats don already near each other. Oh. That the thing, that the own boat, not down that one. That the thing.
What? No divers, no divers.
No divers now. And the thing they pay me because there's no divers here. So the thing gonna happen now. All of them don't already done the inside water. But luckily for TC Virus and two other persons. TC Virus just rush hold the
Come this side.
Mama,
Go this side. The boat.
So other persons can't see hold the boat. You dey get
No
so then
diver.
Another boat from the other side. Because it's say boat don't capsize. They just rush come. As you just rush come, he already not see TC Virus them and other people like this boat don't capsize. Now him just now them between the save the two those ones when they see. So the students they carry them come out. Now then they come and say other people see them inside the water. So now inside that place, you know, put inside the water. So now all of them come go. The boat come go back. May go find them. So unluckily for them, they first bring one guy. I don't know the guy name, but I go play.
Is he short?
Yes, he passed.
But he survived.
He survived. All of them now, they do video.
I bet you talk with you
So
about
they bring one first guy. That one now don't die. They bring already died. The video, I go show the video. The guy already died. So they come go back, come go find other persons. So they use the other person they see now, Junior Pope, like they see for the water. So they come carry and come. Whatever that they bring that, they already died. So as a doctor now, 4 persons still inside this water. One woman still there inside and some other one girl and some other person wait inside the crew. Where they want to shoot the videos. They get so all of them still inside the water. The people who want to go rescue them say they don't fix. They don't already find them, they don't see them. So they say now by tomorrow the water will carry them come up. When the water carry them come up, they will come go find them. They know where they are.
My people, una don watch wetin happen, not be small thing happen yesterday. As they talk say him don die, and some people talk say he don come back to life. They try do many things, but to no avail. Now this one we carry come give una now. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Una do. DJ